Just I'll let the ride.
Good job, Jax. Good job.
Sophie, come on. Let's go ask them.
Slow down.
Let's go ask them for candy.
You're doing a very fine job.
Okay.
So we go up the stairs. Oh.
Jax, slow down, bud.
Let her get on her feet. There we go. There you go, honey. So climb up. You got it.
Thanks.
Oh, I'm safe. I'm safe. We're going to do this together.
Everybody go up. All the babies.
Can we say
Yeah.
trick or treat?
Trick or treat.
Zoe.
It's M&M's.
Cool, bud. Let your sister go there.
Yeah, show her. Show her. Show her. See, then they give you treats. You want to say thank you. You too, Sophie.
Jax, say thank you for your sister.
Thank you.
There you go. Thank you so much.
Right on, buddy. Thank you.
Walk away. Then we walk. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, Jax, you have her?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go now.
I got her.
Oh, that's a new one.
Good job, dudes. Good job, Zoe.
Stop pulling me. Stop pulling me.
Oh. Move, Jax.
Did you guys notice her?
Hey, Amita.
Okay. Zoe, here's your basket. Good job, boo boo.
Let's go.
Hey, Sammy.
You guys
Sammy. Can I see her? Susie. Yay! Good job.
Look what you got.
You got some candy.
Yeah.
What is it? Let me see it. Good job. Good job getting candy, honey.
Okay, put it back in there. We're gonna go get some more.